This here is BC Ferries. There's the administration there at Tsawwassen. I'm taking this video because of the wind. So hopefully the microphone, wherever it is picking up the wind and getting buffeted by it, so we can hear all that wind. This is a windstorm, which is the day after snow day in BC, which occurred yesterday morning. In most elevations in northern climates, it kept on going, but up here it stopped. It rained a bit last night, and this is basically the wind part of that snowstorm. So if it had been, like, say, back in the 60s, it'd be like snowdrifts everywhere here, but rather we're getting the wind in nearly it. I'm pretty sure this is probably going to be global warming as well. I would consider this to be the wind to do with change season from winter to spring, and probably in March it'll probably get warm, balmy, and sunny for a change. But for now we got clouds. That is the sun up there.